Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to enable the command from CMD. Okay, so click to start, type run, then this is registry regidit, click to OK, then yes for the administrator access. Okay, so this is your registry. In the computer current user, extract this and this is URL will show in the okay. Then so software, extract policies, this is policy, extract, you can see this URL generating continuously. Yeah, software in policy. Then select the Microsoft, extract, scroll down, then select the Windows and extract, then click on system. So this is created disable CMD. Okay, so you have to select this, right click, delete it. Otherwise if you don't delete it, so open this and value is 0, so 0 means it's allowed. Okay, after that you have to restart your system and then check it. Okay, you comment me it is enable or not, otherwise you can also you can delete it. Okay, yeah, thank you.